Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. I actually just received an update from Xiaomi. I think this is very quietly that their new Xiaomi Earbuds app is actually finally available on the iPhone. Alright, so we're gonna go in and check out whether is this true. Alright, so actually over here is on my iPhone. My iPhone 12 mini. I'm actually in the App Store right now. So I'm actually gonna type Xiaomi earbuds and you actually can see that it pops up. Oh my goodness!
Oh my god! Wow!
A few moments later.
I'm actually goosebumps right now. I'm having goosebumps. You can't really see, right? I'm actually having goosebumps right now. Xiaomi earbud app is really available. Oh my goodness. A couple of weeks ago when I was doing the review on the Redmi Buds 4, I actually mentioned that the app is only available on Google Play Store, and I was talking that particular video towards the end, that I hope that in terms of app support that it will also be available on iOS, and finally I think a couple weeks later it's already now here. Okay, I'm gonna double click install. Alright, it's downloading right now, it's spinning. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited right now. Downloaded, installed. Oh my god. Okay, open. Whew. Okay, terms and conditions. Welcome to the Xiaomi earbuds. You can use this app to manage your earphones. You should protect your personal information. Okay, it needs to use Bluetooth, right? And it always says, and then there's two things to think. I'm gonna click on agree. My region, I put as Singapore. Next, let's see. Firmware updates. Keep up to date with the latest feature. Okay, I'm going to click next. It comes with noise cancellation. Okay, next. My earbuds. Next. In-ear detection. Pause music automatically when you take out the earphones. Okay. Start. I'm going to add earphones. Next, you have a pop-up. It says Xiaomi Earbuds app would like to use the Bluetooth. Of course, I'm going to say yes. Oh, and before I do that, you can actually see the list of earbuds which you can use with it. You see Redmi Buds 4 Pro, Redmi Buds 4, Redmi Buds 3. Oh, Xiaomi Buds 3, sorry. Xiaomi Buds 3T Pro, Xiaomi Buds 3 Pro, Xiaomi Buds 3 Star Wars, Redmi Buds 3, Redmi Buds 4 Active. Okay, Active is something pretty new. It's like another version of Buds 4. Alright guys, so after I actually downloaded the Xiaomi Earbuds app on my iPhone 12 mini, and I was very excited the other day to try to actually pair my Redmi Buds 4 with the app, and it was only after that I realized that the version I got is actually China only, so it will only work with on Android phone with the Xiao Tongxue app. So just to take note for those of you who actually wants to actually utilize the Xiaomi Earbuds app, okay, whether it's on Android or it's on iOS or iPhone, Apple devices, just make sure that you get the international variant, or so-called the global variant, not the China only variant. I hope that my sharing regarding the latest change in the Xiaomi Earbuds app would actually encourage more of you to actually really seriously consider Xiaomi earbuds and Redmi earbuds, because for me, I feel that they're actually very good. That's all the time we have. My name is Johnny. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.